let's play Persona.
Why are we playing Persona today? Oh, I know.
What's up, Max?
Because I forgot.
It's Ryuji's birthday.
Ryuji's birthday. That's me.
All
I play
right.
Ryuji, and it's my birthday.
Since we're playing Persona 5, we've got a special treat today for Max and Ryuji.
What?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What does it say?
For real? You ready?
Uh-huh.
For real?
You missed Every time Ryuji says for real,
we have to take a bite of cake.
we're gonna eat one bite of cake. It almost fell on my crotch.
I'm making them eat one bite. That's what this is.
Yes.
I'm making you.
It's your birthday. You can have the keto cup, and Ray and I have to make ourselves fat. I asked the lady, I said, hey lady, can you write for real on this cake? And she's like,
And she said, like Ryuji from Persona? How many question marks?
we gotta turn down Max's light again.
Yeah.
He's
Can
an iridescent human.
Here we go. I'm gonna down this. It's basically like a peanut butter cup, but for.
Ray, let's start. Here, grab one of these.
There you go.
One of these little tortilla
And,
chips.
and intertwine like we're getting married.
Cheers, you guys. I'm gonna go on here.
You gotta go like that.
It does look like you're kissing.
Yay!
Rehabilitation
what happened
can
last time?
finally begin.
Well, we're in AA.
Yeah.
And now we're in rehab.
This is what it's like.
Harry
Way
Mobus.
back.
I feel offended by these
There is no need to understand it
What
all
I
for
remember
the time
is DC
being.
Douglas is a hot gym teacher who's
But he's-
infiltrated his heart.
No, he's bad man.
He's bad guy.
Where are
yeah.
we right
I think
now?
he's a bad man.
Where are we right now?
When you go to sleep,
Yeah, you have this weird dream.
you
Oh, this is a dream.
become a persona.
Well, I don't know if it's a dream, but this is what happens when we sleep.
When we sleep, okay.
Yeah.
The doo-doo on the back of his outfit.
That's
Look.
yeah.
Oh,
Let an
Did
accident.
Harry
Yeah.
poo-poo his pants?
Oh no.
Like upward.
This
He
is
pooped
like-
up.
How long do you think his nostrils are, though? Bone.
Wait, is the nostril back here or is it just
Yeah,
in
does the
front?
nostril go
nostrils
forward?
only in the front.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's the worst. That's the darkest timeline.
We demand some upskirt fan art of Igor just to see some up
Okay,
nose.
all right.
Just to see the up nose cannon. What is this game about?
Well, he's.
Oh, it's
first
about
of all,
this.
it's about
It's
opening
about
signs on the wrong side of the door.
Coffee and curry.
Yeah.
Coffee and curry.
It's a
Those
mix.
don't go together.
No, you might as well call this shop Enema. Because that is just a doo-doo syrup.
I'm going to tell you the roles that I play in Persona 5.
Okay.
The day was May 5th, 2016, when Ray Chase worked on Persona 5 for 1 hour. And in that time, he played train announcer,
Yes!
Shiro,
Shiro.
middle-aged men,
Appropriate.
taxi driver,
Also appropriate.
commercial announcer,
These are all how I would cast you in real life.
and movie announcer. So
Damn.
those are all of the roles I play.
Class is starting.
He's
That
the
wa- is that
social
Wario?
studies. Speaking of social studies teachers, can I tell you, I had a social studies teacher in middle school, and should I say his name? I won't say his name. It's a great name though. It's kind of like pomegranate, but it wasn't. Let's call him Mr. Pomegranate. And he wore like a transistor radio. Like every time, like I don't know transistor radio, but he had like headphones on with like antennas.
He had the radio headphones.
Yeah. I hope he's still alive.
Oh, I hope so too.
Mr. Pomegranate, I don't miss you. Why does someone voice this guy, please?
Sure, Ray.
The great philosopher Plato divided the human soul into 3 parts.
Oh snap! We're leveling up, guys.
Is that what?
He should go to his chiropractor if he has music notes coming out of his
Wow.
neck. We are oblivious now. We're trying to get
All right.
Oh, we're
beyond that.
oblivious, and we're trying to get knowledge.
Yeah, we're dumb as shit. We're a bumbling, milquetoast, inoffensive, oblivious moron. Do you guys know what a sneaky mail is? You guys know what a sneaky mail is?
What's a sneaky mail?
We've talked. I feel like Kamoshida, he's the cross between an alpha and a sneaky male.
Robbie, is Akechi a sneaky male? Says Ryjui.
I'm back. No, Akechi's
Oh, shit.
straight alpha, big dick energy, for sure. We haven't said for real yet. We haven't even had a single piece of cake.
Hell no.
There's music and there's...
Oh!
Oh, here we go, Ray!
You gotta take a shot of cake.
Oh, no!
Cake.
Shot of cake. Ugh.
These are the
corners. We're
Nice
going for the
big one
corners.
first. Oh God.
Oh,
What
yeah.
kind of cake is this?
Oh chocolate.
That's called for real cake, bitches.
God.
Meow, 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 meow. Hey, guys.
Is it smaller than we think it is? It is a navigation app. There's even your search.
He went through your
Oh,
search history.
no! That's my worst nightmare.
He's searching Mobius in the middle of the
Oh,
night.
man, I'm such a genius.
Hey, wait. I gotta tell you something. Speaking of search history.
This is such a good speed run.
Kamoshida, Shujin Academy, Pervert,
Guys, no jokes.
Castle,
There's no
beginning
jokes to be
navigation.
made.
Okay.
Okay, this is looking pretty good.
So we're
Is
going.
this the big dick energy coming out of the high school?
Yeah.
This is
I
the-
don't think you should say
It's
that
Kamoshida's
sentence ever.
To be honest, there is a lot of big dick energy
Castle
coming
from
out of high school.
yesterday. That means what happened yesterday was for real too.
Technically, it is.
Oh, no! One more spoonful of for real cake. Big bite. Oh, those are good bites. Wait, Ray, is that a big bite?
Hey,
Listen.
Hi, clearly a male cat.
It is the school.
But it's a castle.
It's the school and a castle.
This castle is the
What?
Logic
Don't
puzzles.
you dare say for real.
The castle's ruler? What was that?
That was a Wilhelm
It
scream.
must be the slaves captive here.
Slaves?
For real?
Yes!
Oh, Ray.
How is that cake?
Oh my God.
Ray just took a massive bite. You guys, I'm so happy about this right now.
Oh, shit.
Yes! Yes! I can't tell you how happy this makes me. Is the cake is good though? Yeah, it looks moist.
Let's go.
Me?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Go, boy.
It's settled then.
Thank
you
you.
so
For real?
You guys missed it, but let me just do that one more time for you.
No.
For real? For real? For
We're only like 30 minutes into the stream, right?
No way. Oh my God.
You guys realize I haven't really played the game. I've just been going through dialogue so far.
Nothing is
Yeah,
happening.
actually you have. That's the game. Look at Kamoshida's painting. Go look at that
Does it for the
painting right
donations, too.
now.
Wow.
Get up there. Look at that painting. Oh,
No,
thank you.
Didn't say it.
Oh, thank you. Oh, my tummy thanks you.
I'm sneaking up. Oh,
Show me your
gotcha!
Show me your true.
Ooh!
Got him.
You just popped that dude's dome off out of nowhere.
All right, experience. Yes. What if experience was called FAP points? We just gained 4 FAP points.
Did something happen yet?
Yeah, I'm vomiting apparently.
The shadows probably won't come in here.
Yeah, he was on the track team. He was on the track team. He can't jog around the school at a medium pace.
You must really hate this
Goro?
Kamoshida
Goro?
cat.
Gora?
Goro
doesn't even
Akechi?
cover how I feel.
Gora the Explorer? Tell me
Everything is
tell me where to
badass.
go, Matt. Tell me where to go. I'm tired of these guys. I just want to murder them all. I want to fight the dick monster.
Training
again.
hall?
Let's
Who
go.
says training hall?
Ryuji.
Training.
Ryuji.
Training hall?
No, it's a training.
You better get used to his slang. He does a lot of that.
It's a training hall. We're gonna have such a ball. We're never gonna say the letter G in the training hall, you see, because we're Ryuji Sakamoto.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Why doesn't everyone ask you to do that, boys?
Come
Why
on,
is it all
man.
for real? Why not is it come on, man?
Come on, man.
It's pretty good. That's the same level of emotion.
I'm just standing
Okay,
here.
that was-
Ah! Danger! Ooh, those are some sexy radishes.
Everybody in the chat is like you failed.
I don't think so.
I think
I'm pretty sure I just got 15 FAP points.
I was hoping you'd forgotten that joke, but
Up.
they're effective against
X.
enemies weak to gun.
Up. Oh, cool. Up. Nice. Look at that, guys.
up,
Isn't that cool?
Back. Gun. Back.
back, gun,
Back.
back, gun,
Back.
back, gun, back, gun.
Wow. Just kind of takes it all in.
Hey, Robbie.
Yeah.
How many fat points did we get?
Oh, 11, I think.
Sen level.
Who's our sen?
Our Sen is Ryuji.
Arsenic.
For real?
Yeah, for real in the
He
building.
didn't even say it in the dialogue. For real was just like his
I gave you a pass.
placeholder
I gave you a
dialogue.
pass on text, but I did not give you a pass on voice.
This is too big of a piece.
Oh yeah.
If the FAP is XB, what are the
Now
coins?
The coins?
Coins are simple money.
Anal beads.
It's just simple
Anal-
money.
anal beads or
It's
sperms?
just like a
Sperms.
sort of a way of
Okay,
paying for
so-
things.
yeah,
So you got like
economy,
11
a
fat
simple
points,
economy
and the
that you can
like
use
46
for
sperms.
potions,
Sperms.
sort of
Sperms.
things like that.
Sperms.
Yeah,
There's so many different ways. to
Yeah,
express
yeah.
it that don't
Got
have to be like that.
Yeah, R1 during the battle. Okay, I'm not. I don't.
Why is it taking us 3
It's so-
hours just to explain the battle
It's like I'm not gonna remember. I'm not gonna remember.
We go agonizingly slowly during the
Oh no!
least
Run
important.
away! Run 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 away! Let me out the door! Let me out the door! Let me out the door! Go! 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 Yes! I beat it.
All right.
Look at the flames. They're so
Sounds
colorful.
like running directly away from the gameplay you wanted.
All right, here he is. He's here. Oh! Look!
Just
Look!
go
Look!
kick
Look!
his dick in.
Look! Watch.
Go on, go get him.
He's here. Look, Ryuji, go! Stop here in the
Yank
way.
him from behind.
Ah!
Snap that neck. Pop that
Ambush.
neck.
Take that, dude. Okay, then I'm gonna use. What was I gonna use?
Well, we have this new thing, this tactics thing, but yeah. Oh yeah, view the enemy info, see what they're weak to.
Okay, let's analyze. Let's analyze.
I just want the
I
fight.
don't see a weak spot.
Let's do analyze. What are we gonna call him? French tickler legs?
The French ticklers.
The French ticklers.
Yeah.
Got it.
Well, I shouldn't fire anymore. 'Cause
We're
I
on
don't have any
easy
more weapons.
mode. Just punch him in the butthole.
Punch him in the tickler.
I'm really
10 fat points.
10 fat points.
And
162
sperms.
I'm just gonna eat the cake.
No, don't you dare.
It'll bring me one
You're
step closer to death.
insane.
All right.
Bro,
One step closer to a French
fry
tickler.
my heart.
That's where you know you're in the bad part of a drinking game is when you're taking drinks and you
Just
don't
do it.
have to. There.
All right. Now rush on in.
Oh, this is the Smash Brothers thing. That's all we're doing is rediscovering Smash
No,
Brothers.
no, don't shoot that nice lady in
Aw,
the face.
it's
This
so-
feels horrible.
She's such a nice lady.
This
Bye,
is
nice
fun.
lady.
She was dressed up as a big old car.
Oh, hell yeah.
This show's over.
The show's over, baby. We got six fat points on 184
184
sperms. Oh, okay, when you knock
Okay,
them
so
all
try
down,
to knock them all down.
then you can do
Hey,
an
wait,
all-out attack.
wait, don't do that.
What's
So
this?
look at that dungeon map. Go back, and now go to the right, this way. Nope, other way, sorry, my mistake. We have to go to this dead end, because
there
there's
a
gotta be
secret?
treasure. There's gotta be treasure.
Nah, dude,
Okay,
that's
let's
that
look.
kind of game.
Let's look for tre- Says happy birthday, Ryuji. Oh my god.
What
Oh
the
my
fuck
god.
is going on?
So low. It's useless.
Hey, anyone else getting a little turned on right now?
I mean, this proves that Kamoshida thinks of them as slaves.
So it might be for real.
Yes. If you guys didn't hear it, here it is again.
So it might be for
There
real.
it is, and that's why Ray and Robbie are vomiting right now.
Hang on a sec. There's no other way.
No, the
I'll just
cake does
memorize
not
their
still taste
faces
good.
before going.
What do you think he's
Sandy
doing to
lettuce.
memorize their faces? Do you think he's going like this?
Young, brown hair.
And then he goes, got it. Oh man,
What in the world?
you guys seriously aren't getting a little turned on?
Sack of shit. Oh, memorize their faces.
Wait, he's doing it again. Every cell he goes to, he goes,
But because because these guys are bouncing up, he has to track it with them.
Okay, got it. Got it. Okay, I'm done.
There's something over here.
Or you could just go back to school and be like, who's on the volleyball team?
Yeah.
Or I'll be the next person you talk to.
We blew up.
Oh no! Oh my God!
There's a cannon up there.
Just shooting volleyballs in his fucking dome.
You know, tomorrow they're gonna be like, "Hey, what up, limp dick?"
Let's go.
Oh, increased security measures.
Uh-oh. We're gonna encounter a lot of fairies.
It's on easy. Let's get them all up.
Murder
Murder them all.
This way.
Murder them all. Murder them all, Max. Murder them all.
This is the scene.
You knaves.
Yes, let's go,
To
boy.
think you'd make the same mistake again. You're hopeless.
I've memorized their faces real good. You're going down.
Oh!
Ryuji, move.
Monster.
That's what their name is right now, horny monsters.
There's horny stallions, more
Horny
like.
stallion.
Wait, did we just die?
Yeah, I think this is one of those you have to die.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then they're gonna be like, "This is the scene. This is the scene." How do you know? Oh, you watched this.
This is it. I know the scene.
What
This is
happens?
Ryuji gets.
Oh.
My butthole. Nobody talk. This is the greatest scene of all time. My butthole.
Robbie, what are you doing tomorrow?
Uh,
Oh no, he's got the log going.
all right, roll it, roll it.
You're right.
Yeah.
Everything that was important to me was taken by him. I'll never get him back.
Stay there and watch.
You're the real scumbag, Kamoshida! Stop looking down on me with that stupid smile on your face!
Yeah!
Oh, rip that face off.
You seek power, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Good scream.
Coming. Snap. He's a pirate.
Captain Kidd, baby.
That's dope. He looks like he shit his pants though.
Summon Dirty Two-Horned Beast.
Dirty Two-Horned Beast is even a better name than we had.
Stop.
You gotta kill the smaller
Don't you
enemies
know, smell the
first.
smaller enemies. Haven't you ever played a video game?
Oh, okay. I
Come
got it. I got it.
on. Yeah, of course.
Damn!
That is.
Damn!
What happened?
Oh, damn!
What did he say?
It's not what he said, it's what they do.
I'm almost certain she's
What a
underage.
marvelous and beautiful girl.
Yeah, why is
No,
she
no,
regulated?
no,
No.
no,
going on?
no.
No.
Come at me whenever you want, if you don't care about your life.
Should I be happy about
You will be.
that? Then again, it ain't as bad as
Canada.
yours.
Max getting away with all these little add-ons.
Bro, you don't even know. The script was changed because
Because
of
of
me.
you? Wow.
It
Many.
used to be rough real.
Yeah.
Man, I'm gonna sleep like a rock when I get home.
Can't say for real anymore.
But damn.
Oh, the
we
subsequent.
suddenly
Yes!
It's buried in the sentence. I doomed myself.
I totally remember the faces of the guys Kamoshida was treating like
It's not good
slaves. Once we make him fess up to any.
I am thou. Thou art I. Thou hast acquired a new vow. It shall become the wings of rebellion that
Why are
breaketh
some
thy
red?
chains of
Thou
captivity.
new become breaketh.
Birth freedom.
The chariot persona. Chariot.
Ah, la chariot.
Alright.
The chariot confidant.
Chariot commandant.
Why don't we grab a bite somewhere?
Kind of food.
Sure.
Omurice. Not cake.
Meat man.
Meat,
Meat,
man.
man.
Ah, that's a great line.
Meat man. Meat man.
Ding ding, I'm the
Meat Man. What the hell, man? How much shittier can that asshole
Eat your
Wow.
food, Ryuji.
Can you stop saying shitty asshole inside the restaurant?
We might. What is it? What is the question? We might be more alike than I originally thought. You may be right.
I may be crazy.
You're the first guy that made me think.
Oh, meat man, meat man, meat man.
I like it.
I
Look
guess
at how
it's how
puffy
we're
his
treated
hair is
a
like
pain
in
the
this
ass
shot.
by the people around
It's
us.
a little much.
Like we don't belong.
It looks like a football helmet.
What if it's all just plastic and he just goes?
Yeah.
Is the buzz cut underneath?
Tell me your number. Oh, chat ID too.
Okay, coming on a little strong, but all right. I respect the game.
We're gonna start right away tomorrow. First, let's hit up those guys that were kept as slaves.
What do you mean by hit up those
The
guys?
volleyball rally's tomorrow, huh? But
Meat
thanks to
Man.
that,
Meat man.
Yeah.
we can walk around unnoticed.
We all have
Well,
food-based
guess we'll work out
catchphrases
the
now.
details tomorrow.
Pancakes, beans, and meat,
Meat
man.
man. Meat man. Meat
Pancakes,
man.
pancakes,
Meat man.
pancakes,
Meat man.
pancakes,
Meat man.
Sorry for this Twitch stream, you guys.
We're not. I'm not sorry.
We're not gonna do it anymore.
Yeah.
Come on, you gotta eat more. There's tons of ginger here.
Ginger Man, Ginger Man. I know that's a main character because I've seen the cosplay. Oh, that's Takamaki though.
Takamaki.
Takamaki from the inside.
I think it's a
Dreams-
racist
Dreamland.
vending machine. I don't support it. Cracker.
Haven't been sleeping well.
God, this is a depressed society. This is.
Yeah, this school
Mr.
sucks a fat butt.
Kamoshida told me.
Kamoshida's like beating everybody's ass and sexually molesting children.
Didn't say.
Beep 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 beep.
Hey.
And massage you.
No.
Wait, sorry, I didn't mean massage. Autocorrect.
Oh, it's just autocorrect.
Unless.
But wouldn't
Dot
that
dot
be,
dot.
but wouldn't that be cool?
Whatever, skinny ankles.
Don't
Hey, I'm gonna
do it.
head
You
home
have
for
to
the
change
night.
the open sign.
But before I head home, I'm gonna make some coffee and curry.
Mix them together. Oh, I love coffee curry.
Doo-doo slurry.
Coffee and curry.
Wait, the doo-doo slurry.
Double knee slapper. This is what it ended up with. This is how we ended up.
Oh,
That's
it's
the
mirrored.
damage we did.
It's
Gross.
mirrored.
That's what we did.
Thank you guys. We shall sign off by doing a little rap. Robbie, you do drop a beat, and I will start doing a rap.
Sure, here we go. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, meat man. Meat man.